So when we come now to this customization tab, we see that a lot of things that we can also do to our theme. So in this case here, if we want to edit the footer, let's say I'm going to change this text here to Cyril talking. You're going to see what it's going to look like to show you how you can edit the footer. So as you can see, there's a lot of text that is showing you at the base of the footer. You can actually change this text to what you want. So as you can see, I've changed this position here to be Siri talking. You can go ahead, change all these other links here to be exactly what you want. And that's why it's always good to go in for a premium theme, because you see that this free theme here does not allow us to change all this Bravista theme because we did not pay for it. So if you pay for it now, the premium version like they were recommending to us earlier, we're going to be able to change this. That's why most of the time I will recommend, and personally I use premium themes to give me a variety of customization, because on this website now I cannot be able to remove this feature here because I did not pay for it. So another editing that you can also do to the header is, if you go now to extra header settings based on this theme, we can disable the social navigation, we can disable the current time. We're going to discover that this is going to disappear. And after doing all that, if we decide now to publish this, as you can see, it has disappeared. We can also change the color of this text. We can do a lot of things here. So if I go now to coloring, let's say I go back to color settings and color options, you can change the color of this to maybe something yellow or something red or something. It depends on you. You can go ahead and customize it however you want it to be. So it's going to be published now, and if we go now to that about page and we try to refresh it, we're going to see that all these settings and these changes are going to be updated. As you can see, the timer is no longer there. Let's just see the really updated version. The timer is no longer there, and we're going to see that the color above is going to change. So that's just the whole idea of customizing themes and adding pages. All you need to do is that when you add the page now, the theme already comes to the header and the footer, and since it's a free theme, it does not come with templates, page templates. So when you buy now a premium theme, you're going to see that it's going to come with custom or pre-built, already inbuilt templates that you can go ahead and customize. So this is how our website looks like after customizing the theme. I think with this you have a lot of knowledge on going to customize a theme, editing the footer and editing the header. In this case, this theme gave us limitation to editing that we can give to the footer and the header because it is a free theme. So when you buy a premium theme, you're not going to face a lot of this stress, which I've done here. So in the next section, I'm going to be showing you another thing exciting.